Hi friends, welcome back to literacy class. Today we will be doing lesson 16, part 2. So go ahead and write that in your CJ. If you need more time, pause the video, but I am going to move on. Alright, today we are going to need a piece of paper to do our review game. We're going to play phonogram basketball, which is a favorite for many of you. We are going to practice and review 20 phonogram sounds. So let's get our paper ready. Awesome. All right. So I'm going to say a sound and the spelling hint. You're going to write it down. And after every 5, I will write down the correct answers for you to check. Okay? All right. Number 1. Let's do 2-letter used at the beginning or the end of a base word. Number 2, 3-letter I. Number 3, 2-letter O, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 4, oo, that may be used at the end of English words. And number 5, oi, that may not be used at the end of English words. And for the answers, if you got all of those right, you get 5 points. All right, let's do the next 5. Number 6. Ow, o, that may be used at the end of English words. Number 7, ch, 3-letter ch. Number 8, oo, 2-letter oo, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 9, the of hurt. And number 10, aw, 2-letter aw, that may not be used at the end of English words. And our answers. And again, 5 more points if you got all of those right. Number 11, a, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 12, 2-letter used only at the beginning of a base word. Number 13, oo, you, that may be used at the end of English words. Number 14, are. And number 15, aw, two-letter, aw, that may be used at the end of English words. And checking our answers. All right, last ones. Number 16. The of bird. Number 17. A, that may be used at the end of English words. Number 18, ch, k, sh. Number 19, e, a. And number 20, the of search. We have a, e, a, and Oops, and again, give yourself those 5 points if you got both of those columns correct. All right, I want you to put your final score out of 20 here. So if you got 15 out of 20, you would write 15 over 20, or whatever number you got correct. I hope you all got that score, though. Okay. Before we draw our paper, we're going to review some spelling. So I'm going to say a word, and I want you to think and tell me what spelling rule explains the reason for the long vowel sound in the word that I'm going to say. Okay, so this is what we did in our last class. So for example, first word is me. You can write me on your paper and look at it and think, why is E saying its long sound here? Do you remember? I remember. It's at the end of the syllable, so it says its long sound. All right, what about most? Why is O saying its long sound there? Most. So row 8, I believe. I and O may say I and O, followed by 2 consonants. Very good. What about radar? Why is A saying its long sound there? Radar. Because it's at the end of the syllable. Very good. So it says its long sound. What about kite? Kite. This is our new one. That silent final E makes the vowel say its name. Very good. Okay. Now you can rip your paper out of your notebook. If yours wasn't in a notebook, then you can just crumple it up. All right, find the trash can near you. And 3, 2, 1. Did you make it? I did not, because there's not actually a trash can in here, so it's sitting on my floor. All right. I am going to have us do a little work before we do our spelling journal, or get our spelling words. I mean, we're going to work in our spelling journal. Go ahead and get out a piece of paper and make it look like mine, wherever you like to do your notes. So, these are our 2 phonograms that make the sound Okay, say Very good. Are either of these 2 phonograms ever used to say at the end of a word? Yes or no? No, they're not. Why? Because English words do not end in I, U, V, or J. Very good. What other common sound sounds like in an unstressed syllable? What English sound is that? Do you remember? It's our schwa sound, and it's our lazy vowel. And what is the rule for that one? Do you remember? It says any vowel may say one of the schwa sounds, in an unstressed syllable or word. Good. There is an additional phonogram that may say in a stressed syllable. Do you remember what one it is? What phonogram may say in a stressed syllable? It's O, but only when it's next to W, T, H, M, N, or V. Good. All right, if you have your spelling journal, open to page 51. Otherwise, you can work on a piece of paper like I will be. All right, I'm going to say a word which uses one of these 2 spellings of If it uses U, U, I will hold up 1 finger. If it uses ow, o, oo, I will hold up 2 fingers. Write the words in the correct column. And then I want you to highlight or underline the phonogram that says If it is a multi-letter phonogram, underline it. Okay? So how about this? We'll underline this one. We will box or highlight this one. There we go. All right. First word is stuffing. Stuffing. That one should go here because I held up just 1 finger. Box that phonogram that says All right, second word is cousin. 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 Since I held up 2 fingers, it should go over here. And we will underline that multi-letter phonogram. Good. All right, next. 100. 100. Hundred goes over here. Next is muffin. Muffin. Next word is young. Young. Next is under. Under. Touch. Touch. Next is jealous. Jealous. Famous. Famous. Last word is subject. Subject. Awesome. Alrighty. Go ahead and put this away and get out your workbook and turn to page 16. No, 8. Page 8. Spelling was 16. Page 8. And we are doing level B. Okay. All right. Number 1, ignore. Say ignore. It is rude to just ignore people. There are 2 syllables in the word ignore. First one is ig. Let's sound it out. Ig. Finger spell. I-E-ya. G. Second syllable is nor. Let's sound it out. O, finger spell. O, silent final E. So, O, silent final E. All right. We don't have any phonograms to underline here, but O is saying it's a long sound because of silent final E, so we will double underline that. All right, very cool. First time we're seeing that in our spelling words. All right, I have a feeling we're going to see a lot of those. Number 2, explore. Say explore. I want to explore this city. 2 syllables in the word explore. First one is X. Sound it out. X. Finger spell. X. Z. And the second syllable is plore. Sound it out. P-O-O-R. Finger spell. P-O-O-R. Silent final E. All right, so again, silent final E makes O say its long sound. Good job. Number 3, lake. Say lake. We stay at a cabin by the lake every summer. One syllable, so let's sound it out. O, A, K. Finger spell. O, A, K. Tall, K. Silent final E. And again, silent final E makes A say its long sound. Awesome. All right, number 4, mountain. Mountain, but I'm emphasizing it, mountain. The mountain is covered with snow. 2 syllables in the word mountain. First one is mound, so let's sound it out. Ow, Finger spell. Ow, o, oo, And the second syllable is tain. Sound it out. T, a, Finger spell. T, a. Use 2-letter A. That may not be used at the end of English words. And we have 2 phonograms here. And normally when we say the word mountain, this is a schwa sound. Mountain. And that's actually an example of it saying the schwa sound. Mountain. Mountain. I guess it depends on how you pronounce it, but it's an unstressed syllable. So, schwa sound right there. Number 5. Money. 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 There is no money in my wallet. Oh, sad. 2 syllables in the word mon-e. First syllable is mon. Sound it out. Finger spell. And the second syllable is E. Sound it out. E. Finger spell. Use A, E. That may be used at the end of English words. Remember what that one is? There we go. Let's underline that phonogram. And since this is A-E, and it says E, it's its second sound, so we're going to put a 2 over that. And normally when we say money, we are using a schwa sound there, the because it is next to W-T-H-M-N or B. So, there you go. Number 6, pester. Say pester. Please do not pester your brother. That means like to bug. Don't bug your brother. 2 syllables in the word pester. First one is pes. Let's sound it out. P-E-S. Finger spell. P-E-S. Second syllable is ter. Sound it out. T-er. Finger spell. T-er of her. Underline our phonogram er. All right, number 7. Number 7. Tail. Say tail. The tree looks like it came from a fairy tale. So not like a tail on a dog. Tale like a story. One syllable in tail, so let's sound it out. T-A-O. Finger spell. T-A-O. Silent final E. Silent final E makes A say its long sound. Number 8. Wrong. Say wrong. It is wrong to hit your brother. One syllable, so we'll sound it out. A, G. Finger spell. Two-letter A, ng. And underline both of those phonograms. Number 9. Escape. I want to tell you about my escape. Two syllables in the word escape. First syllable is ease. Escape. Sound it out. Oh, sorry. I'm saying it wrong. Escape. I always say escape. I don't know. Escape. Escape. Okay. First syllable is as. Sound it out. E-z. Finger spell. E-z. Second syllable is cape. Sound it out. K-A-P. Finger spell. Sorry. A-P. Silent final E. So, A-P. Silent final E. Alright, silent final E makes A say its long sound and escape. I think it's sort of saying a schwa I when you just say escape, or kind of the sound too. So it's definitely a lazy syllable right here because this is the unstressed syllable. Sorry, a lazy vowel because it's an unstressed syllable. And when I enunciate escape, I always say E, long sound, but that's wrong apparently. Escape, escape. All right, number 10, square. Say square. There is a square drawn on the whiteboard. One syllable, so we'll just sound it out. Square. Finger spell. Z. Qua. A. Silent final E. That one was weirdly tricky for me. Do it again. Z. Qua. A. Silent final E. We're going to underline QU. A, so that's long sound, square, because of silent final E. Number 11, invent. What are you trying to invent now? Two syllables in the word invent. First one is in, so let's sound it out. I-N. Finger spell. Use I-E-ya. Second syllable is vent. Sound it out. V-E-N-T. Finger spell. V-E-N-T. Number 12, calculate. Calculate. We will calculate the answer together. 3 syllables here. First one is cal. Sound it out. K. A, O. Finger spell. K, S. A, O. Second syllable in calculate is Q. Sound it out. K, U. Finger spell. K, S. U. And last syllable is late. Sound it out. O, A, T. Finger spell. O, A, T. Silent final E. Silent final E makes A say its long sound, and U is also saying its long sound here in the middle. Number 13, taste. Do you want to taste the cookie batter? I know I do. 1 syllable, so let's sound it out. T, A, S, T. Taste. Finger spell. T, A, use S, Z. T. Silent final E. Silent final E makes A say its long sound. Number 14, fame. His fame has gone to his head. 1 syllable, so we'll sound it out. A, finger spell. A, silent final E. And A says its long sound because silent final E. And last one, number 15, danger. Danger. There is a lot of danger involved in skydiving. 2 syllables in danger. First one is Dane. Let's sound it out. D, A, finger spell. D, A, Second syllable is jur. Sound it out. J, finger spell. G, j, of her. G, j, the of her. Underline our phonogram. G is saying its second sound J, so we need to put a 2 over it. And A is saying it's a long sound. Awesome job, my friends. All right, that is it for today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.